talk about derivative of exponential function. I have an example here, which is d over dx quantity of e raised to x. First, we're going to find the u. So our u is x, which is the exponent of our equation. Then we're going to find his u sub, which is 1. Because we all know in x we have a invisible 1 in this variable. So all we have to do is integrate it. We have copy the equation e raised to x, then times it with the value of u, which is 1. Then all we have to do is this point here represents the times. So we're going to times the Euler's square raised to x times 1. So the answer is ex. So that is our answer. Let's proceed to another example. Let's put a variable in our Euler's. So we have e raised to the power of 6x plus 4. So first, we're going to find our u. Our u is the exponent of this equation, which is 6x plus 4. So we're going to have our u sub. So we're going to, in this exponential function, this is going to be a 0. So we're going to have 6 because this is the only one who has a variable of x. So this is your u sub. And now let's proceed to the equation, which is copy the equation x 6x plus 4 times we're going to put the u here. Then all we have to do is do the next method, which is 6 times Euler's 6x plus 4. So our answer is 6 Euler's 6x plus 4. So all you have to do is copy the equation and find the form. So this is our final answer. Let's have another example, which is d over dx quantity of a raised to u. So this equation have a formula, which is a raised to u times u sub times ln a. We're going to have an equation that has a value, which is d over dx quantity of 3 raised to x. So let's follow the formula, which is this one. So first, we're going to find our a. So our a is the whole number, which is number 3. Then we're going to find our u. So our u is our exponent, which is x. Next one, we're going to find our u sub, which is our u sub is equal to 1, because we all know that this figure have the constant 1 in any form. So let's integrate it. 3x times 1, which is this. Let's follow this. Then we have our ln. Our a is number 3. So this is our answer for today. We have 3x, then ln 3. That's our answer. answer for this problem. And that's all.